Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying power and refrigerant state. Hook a manifold gauge to high and low ports to read pressures. If low, search visible leaks around condenser, hoses, and evaporator access. Use a UV dye or electronic detector to pinpoint a breach. While doing this, check the compressor clutch engagement when you switch AC on, and inspect the belt, fuses, and relay. These immediate checks tell you whether you need recharge, repair, or an electrical fix. Once done with diagnosis and you've identified leaks or failed parts, recover the refrigerant safely, then remove the faulty component, condenser, hose, or evaporator, and install the new part. Make sure to replace the receiver/dryer or accumulator whenever the system is open to the atmosphere, and swap O-rings, coating them with the correct PAG oil to ensure a proper seal. After reassembly, connect a vacuum pump and pull the system to at least 500 microns to remove moisture and air. You now evacuate for the recommended time, then charge to the factory-specified weight of R134A using a scale while monitoring both low and high-side pressures. Start the engine and set AC to max, measure vent temperature, and confirm consistent compressor clutch engagement and cycling. This proves proper refrigerant charge and flow. If cooling is weak, verify the expansion device and cabin airflow, and recheck electrical connectors and sensor in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.